Okay, let's go to the house and open this package.
Let's go.
Okay. Ooh, my back cracked. Now the new battery. All right, the drone is fixed. Alina, where are you?
All right, Bruno. Here's the package.
All right, let's see what's inside then. It must be something really important.
I wonder which member of the Bluey and Bingo family sent this package.
Okay, help me. It's not opening. All right, it doesn't seem like much. There's someone's phone in here.
Oh, Bones!
Hey, this is for dogs. Don't touch them. Ew. And some sort of flash drive. Hold on, there's a note here. Okay, Alina, this letter is addressed to us, and it says, okay, Bluey is not the one.